we can press this button and the eggs will start jumping. We're gonna ring the bell. We have this compass. Time to go up to the silo. Back down we go. And now look at that, we have opened the pen. Oh no, the animals are running loose. No, oh no, they're running away. Oh, come on, I just wanted to have some fun. Now the animals have escaped. All right, let's go get the pig. Yeah, I'll first go get the pig. Now we're gonna take the pig. He's picking up the pig with his hands. Now time to close it up. Now time to ride the horse. Yeehaw! There we go. This is where we have corn. It's very cool. Now let's open the enclosure. Now we're gonna take our chicken up to the top. The eggs are hatching. Look at that, the eggs are hatching. Yay! And now this chicken is gonna be sitting inside the nest. All right, time to close the enclosure again. They're all sleeping. Hello, can you see me through the window? I'm watching through the window. Now time to get up to the top. I always wondered what it was like on the top of this barn. Now I finally got to see it. Time to ring this bell. Ah, no, no. This chicken is flying away because the chicken got scared of the bell. Oops, sorry, I didn't mean to. Now I need to figure out how I got back down. Oh, I know. Time to open this door, jump down here. Now the horse is running free, but the pig is gonna stay because the pig doesn't like going outside. Time to release the cow. The cow needs to go for a graze. All right. We're going to eat. Hey, that's my food. I'm hungry too. And they're both eating from the carrot. All right, looks like I'm full. I don't want to eat anymore. Okay, let's both go back. And this time, the horse is going to go into this enclosure. And the cow is going to switch spots. This is normally the horse's enclosure, but the horse and cow decided to switch spots.